Hi to all, I'm going to show you how to close background running apps in your phone one by one or multiple apps at one go. So I have here an iPhone. So let's open some applications like the Grab. Let's go ahead and close it. Webeex Meet, let's go ahead and close it. Safari. So even if you have closed those applications still running in the background, so it's using your batteries and making your phone run slow. So what we do, we double click the home button and then you'll see all the running apps in your phone. So you want to close it individually, just swipe it up. Or you want to close it maximum of 4 applications in one go. So what you do, you put your fingers and swipe it all up like that. There. For other iPhones, the newer ones, they can, instead of home button, they can just swipe it up in the middle and then they can see their running apps and then just do the same thing. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.